Hello guys, I'm back again. Um at the moment I'm going to talk about um dream interpretation. Yeah, dream interpretation. So, first of all, we thank God for his mercies he shows on us, and also it is Monday. Monday is actually ruled by the moon. Yeah, I call it Mother Moon. That beautiful diamond light you normally see every beginning of the month is actually a female. Yeah, a very lovely female. And I really appreciate her because she is full of peace. She is so lovely and and awesome, full of prosperity and abundance. Yeah. So, Monday is actually in spiritually ruled by the moon. That is why Monday borns are very blessed. I tell you, just put your eyes on the ground and you see that everybody especially the females, every female that is born on Monday always receive favors. They easily receive favors. They easily attract people that will help them to grow, to achieve their success. I mean, sorry. They easily attract people that will help them to achieve their success. Yeah. Also, Monday is always peaceful comparing to the rest of the days during the week. Yeah. When you go outside, you will see that even the air is is performing the duty calm. Everything by nature that is doing their job actually perform their duties calmly. Even when it is raining on Monday, no matter what, it will rain gentle. Everything about Monday is gentle. You understand? So, therefore, anybody that is born on Monday can never be harsh. No, you can never be harsh. You can also, though they sometimes have quick temper. Yeah, but any man they born have to be calm by nature. They have to be gentle by nature. You understand? Yeah. And they also have to be full of love because Mother Moon is full of love. Yeah. So, let me go straight to the point, guys. Like I said, today I'm going to interpret dream whereby you had a dream something is chasing you around, yeah? In case you had a dream that something was chasing you, was running away. You was running away, you was afraid of something in the dream and you was running away and this thing is chasing you wherever you go. You was not able to escape, whether it was animals, it was people with objects trying to harm you, whether it was anything anything scary that you was trying to escape, but this thing keep following you around in the dream until your eye open. My sisters, my brothers, in case if you have this dream, it is your angels that are communicating you. Yeah. This dream is just simple. It's about your life. Maybe in the waking life, you are facing some challenges, and you are trying to escape these challenges. I don't know what challenges that you are having, but it can be any challenge. Maybe you are a drunkard, you are trying to stop taking alcohol. Maybe you have quick temper. You are someone that are always full of violence. You are always fighting and you want to change. But whatever you do, it doesn't work out. Also, maybe you are facing life challenges like financial troubles, or you are trying to have a job, you are looking for a job, but things aren't working the way you want it. You are still stuck in this same situation that there is no changes. This is the meaning of your dream. This type of dream means being stuck in something. You are being stuck in something that you cannot change. You understand? But if you are able to escape these things that were chasing you, if you are able to escape these humans with objects that were chasing you, if you are able to escape these animals that were able, oh my God, excuse me, please. I'm sorry. If you are able to escape these animals that were chasing you, if you are able to escape these monsters that were chasing you, it means that you are about to get new changes in your waking life. Whatever challenges that you are going through, you are about to escape it and it's going to manifest. Yeah. This is why you have this dream. So you see, I explain the negative part of this dream. And the last part was the positive part of this dream. Anytime you have a dream that you was running away from something and you was able to escape it, it means that you have achieved your aim in the waking life by escaping your challenges. Whatever challenges that you are going through in physically, you have conquered. You have been, how do I say it? You have defeated. You understand? You have been able through your efforts that you made to defeat the challenges. And these challenges can be anything in your life as a human. We all go through a lot of challenges. Maybe marriage challenges, marital problems, domestic troubles, financial troubles, job problems. It can be anything. So, if you are able to escape those people that were chasing you, rejoice. Praise your God and pray because you have defeated your enemies. But, like I said at the beginning, if this thing were still following you around and you was not able to defeat it in your dream and your eye opened, sorry, I mean, if you were not able to escape it in your dream and your eye open, it means that it is going to be tough. Whatever you are facing is going to stay with you for a little bit longer. So keep trying, pray. Whatever you need to do to stop it, you have to do it. So, this is the meaning of having these types of dream. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, so that I can bring you all the things you need to know about dream that you have no idea of. I'm here to teach you or to expose to you what you need to know. But support my channel, yeah, so that I can go on to help you to know the things you need to know. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.